Ever wonder how courts ensure consistency and fairness over time, even with new judges and evolving societies? It is a fascinating question that speaks to the very foundation of justice and the rule of law. The answer lies in a fundamental legal principle called stare decisis, which literally means to stand by things decided. This principle profoundly influences Supreme Court rulings by encouraging judges to adhere to past decisions, providing stability and predictability in the law. This principle is vital for several reasons. First, it ensures consistency and equal treatment, meaning similar cases are decided similarly, fostering public trust in the judiciary. Second, it promotes judicial efficiency by discouraging the relitigation of settled issues. Third, and critically, stare decisis lends legitimacy to the court's decisions, preventing the appearance that rulings are based on personal preference rather than established legal reasoning. Without it, the law would constantly shift, making it impossible for citizens and institutions to rely on legal precedent. It also reinforces the idea that the law evolves thoughtfully, not impulsively. While powerful, stare decisis is not an absolute rule. The Supreme Court can, and occasionally does, overturn its own precedents. This usually happens in cases where a previous ruling is deemed unworkable, outdated, or fundamentally flawed, or when societal understanding and constitutional interpretation have significantly evolved. When considering whether to overturn a precedent, the court weighs factors such as the age of the precedent, its workability, the reliance interests built upon it, and changes in legal doctrine or factual circumstances. Understanding the nuances of stare decisis involves recognizing its two primary forms. Vertical stare decisis obligates lower courts to follow the precedents of higher courts, such as a federal circuit court respecting Supreme Court decisions. Horizontal stare decisis, which is what we primarily discuss regarding the Supreme Court, refers to a court adhering to its own prior rulings. This distinction highlights the structured hierarchy of the judicial system and the court's unique role in shaping constitutional interpretation. Ultimately, stare decisis serves as a cornerstone of the American legal system. By balancing the need for legal consistency with the potential for necessary adaptation, it helps maintain public confidence in the judicial process, allowing individuals and institutions to navigate the law with a reasonable expectation of how it will be applied.